These statements are to convert your negative thoughts into positive and to make you success in your life. I want to do something big. I want to be a big celebrity. I have to work very hard for that. I am ready to work hard. I want to fulfill my dreams. I want to live all my dreams. I like to work hard. No one can deviate me from my dreams. I believe in myself a lot. I am addicted to winning from today, whom I will not ask for help. I like to do my own work. My family is very nice. I love them. I am very pampered at my house. I'll trust me. I don't worry. I will not be afraid of any challenge. I will face all challenges. I will try to win over him. I will be who I am. I will not change myself for anyone. I will always maintain my integrity. I am an honest person. I also want to achieve what I will. My steps will be slow, but I will never stop. What if I lost today? Tomorrow will come again. The new sun will bring. I am hungry to win. My dream will wake me up again. I have courage. I have taken the step again. No one can stop me today. I'll go ahead. I respect my time. I will not waste it in any way for useless things. I will PR every work time. I'll go with the times. I'll walk with time and I will keep on moving towards my destination. I'm not weak. I have many good qualities. I admit all my mistakes. I apologize for all the mistakes I have made, and I forgive myself. Till today, whoever did wrong to me, I forgive them all. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to your channel for more colorful and peaceful affirmations. Have a good and safe life.